Mary Swap Meet.
Right there.
Yeah.
Pretty, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, they're soft, John. You're right.
What? No.
Me,
What is it? A star fruit?
it's some kind of Mexican one. Yeah.
It looks
Turkey. Huge. One got its head. Yeah. I'm gonna tell it, man. Now we know where to get a bunny.
You never knew they had all this here, Claire?
Yeah, it was funny. No, she was laughing, but it was funny. Now what?
How do you know?
Because I could tell. The green. Look at that one. That's pretty. Look at this. What is that? A stud?
Pretty cool looking.
Mm-hmm. Look, red.
Let me see.
Those are 20. Oh, one, no, one, two.
I might come back. How much? Okay, so what do I owe? 50. Oh, wow. Shirt, John. It's like yours.
Not that much money. Yeah, you do. Don't be bullshit.
Where was the place?
What?
Not over
Ammo?
here.
Just look for the guns and stuff. Down one of these aisles.
Yeah, but you don't know which one, huh?
Yeah.
I think it might be down this one. You think?
Yeah. Let's just walk slowly. I'm hot.
Come on. This way. Oh wait, we gotta go out that way, huh?
Yeah.
No, it's right here. We came in over here.
Turkey, turkey. Oh, they got the mini ones.
Yeah. I have to fit all those into this one.
I know. Then you'll have mini fire pits. Too much, too much. Whoops.